What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you like Kit Kats, you might like this, or even this. All right, guys, I was in a candy store and I knew that these things existed, but I'd never seen them in the wild. These are two kind of unique flavors of Kit Kat. I'm not sure if these are prolific throughout the rest of the country, but I found them on a trip and I bought them to bring home because, like I said, I haven't seen them anywhere. Now, I want to show you this one. This is Kit Kat. It's a pretty big thing. It's got this kind of metallic wrapper on it, so it seems like really special. And like I said, quite a bit bigger than normal Kit Kats, but as you can see there, it's cookies and cream. Who does not love cookies and cream? So I'm really excited about that because I certainly love the cookies and cream. But the one I'm really excited about is this one. Look at this bad boy. It is mint. And it's like that Andes mint. It looks like it's that green on a Kit Kat. So that's kind of crazy because I love Kit Kat and I love the flavor. So I just want to show it to you. You know, normally I would not eat these things, but you know, I do this for research and for your benefit so that you can make an informed consumer decision on your own. So let's go ahead and just tear this one open. All right, got this sucker open and take a look at that. Woo! You can see it's typical Kit Kat, but the whole top is like cookies and cream. So if I tear this sucker open like this, look at that. Chocolate with the top covered in cookies and cream. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is delicious. Classic Kit Kat taste, that wafer cookie inside, the chocolate, but a little hint of that cookies and cream. Now, onto the mint. Let's give this little bad boy a shot. Oh, look at that. Alternating mint and chocolate. So you can see there, mint to one side. See that cookie in there. I'm going to go for the side that's green, because I'm assuming that's the minty side. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's minty. It's like an Andes mint on there. I'll tell you what, I didn't really detect the mint at first. Takes a little while for that mint to kind of rise up. So a little bit of turbo lag on that mint, but I'm eating the chocolate side just for research. The mint was also for research, but the chocolate side was also for research. Some of you might complain that I ate that chocolate half out of fun, but I did not. Interestingly, that chocolate side is just chocolate as far as I can tell. Only the green side is mint. Well, those are definitely just delicious. Hey, if you like Kit Kat and you love Andes mints or cookies and cream, I think you have got to pick these up if you find them. And if you can't find them, guess what? I'll put a link to them in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out!